Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrative access and the physical drive connected. This is required to issue unlock commands. Next, find the unlock secret. Either the Bitlocker password you set or the 48-digit recovery key stored in your Microsoft account, Azure AD, Active Directory, or a printed backup. Once done, don't initialize or format the drive. That destroys decryption options. Make sure the system is stable and plugged in so the process won't be interrupted. Then proceed to the unlock step. Now unlock the drive. For a data drive, open File Explorer, right-click the encrypted volume, choose Unlock Drive and type the password, or paste the 48-digit recovery key. This is the simplest path. For advanced control, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run manage BDE unlock X. Recovery password your 48-digit KEY or manage BDE unlock X. Password and supply the passphrase. If you're unlocking the OS volume, boot into Windows Recovery or a WinPE environment and run the same manage BDE commands there. With the volume unlocked, immediately copy any important files to a safe location. Unlocked access still risks accidental modification. If you want to change authentication, add or remove protectors using Manage BDE Protectors Add X, password or recovery password, or remove old keys after confirming new ones work. If unlocking fails because the key is missing, search your Microsoft account, Azure AD, or your organization's Active Directory for the 48-digit key. If no key exists, the drive cannot be decrypted. Contact the device administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.